this is real life, okay? Guys, it's your girl Malaysia Simone, or Professor Slay, whatever you want to say, and I'm back with another weekly vlog. I just got back from church, and I got my music on the TV. Halo is haloing. She's a little turned up. She's a little turned up, but nevertheless, I'm about to clean my house. Let me give y'all a rundown real quick on what my house is looking like, okay? Alright, so this is my living room. There's toys. Layla's crying. There's like dog hair in the crevices of the wall because it's shedding season. I mean, like, it's just not, my work area looks like I've been working, but like I'm not cleaning it up. Baby girl, this is real life, okay? When I work at the end of the week, when a Sunday comes, the house is in shambles, and that's just what it is. Hopefully, with the things that I'm gonna set in place for my household, when I go to work and come back, it won't be in as many shambles as it is right now. But like, it's not giving what it's supposed to have gave for my mental health, and I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Like, these water bottles, they're both half drink. They're not even half drink. They just drink a little bit, a little swig. Take a swig off the top of a new bottle when you got an old bottle. I don't know whose these are. They might be some of mine. I don't know. But you're gonna see some speed cleaning. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Alright y'all, so I finished cleaning a lot. I still need to go through all of my clothes. And let me show you guys Halo's room for now. So it is a lot more neat than it was before. I took her drawers out and I actually put all her clothes here. All of her clothes from, I guess, some 9 months, 12 months, since we moved home. So 12 months, 9 to 12 months on up. So those are all her clothes that are freshly washed and right there. And there's a box of clothes that I forgot that we had that someone gave us that is 18 and 24 months. So she needs those now because it's getting cold. And the little girl that had them, they have a near birthday. Her birthday's in November. So Halo's birthday's in December. So when they're getting big around the same, they're getting big around the same time. So that's good. I'm trying to debate if I want to go get myself some good food or just go get Halo for my mom. 26 o'clock. So I have time to get food if I want to. and I only had like chicken nuggets from Wendy's because I went to get her food and I hadn't had food, but I should have been more mindful and got my food for myself. But I want to go to the Takara ramen place. I want to get ramen because I really just enjoy noodles. But then I want to try the Domoishi place. I think that's how you say it, or Pomoshi. I don't know. If we go there, we'll go, but I don't see spicy ramen, so I need spicy. But nevertheless, I'm gonna get in the car. I'm gonna head out. I'm proud of myself. And this is like all the trash. So I don't think this is that bad from 3 rooms that haven't been cleaned recently. Let's just say that. I don't know the last time I cleaned, probably like September this time. So yeah, let me blow out my candle. I just brought it yesterday. It smells so good. I put her information already in the vlog, but honey, I'll be shopping. I think today's her anniversary, so it was good to meet her yesterday and I supported her. But now, oh wait, you're not supposed to blow your candles out. Hold on. So that was a complete fail. Their dining room is closed. Their dining room is closed, people. It's closed. So I'm just gonna go get Halo and bring this back home. I got me a green tea, and they did have spicy. I'll tell you guys what I got. Actually, they gave me a receipt on my phone number. They texted me my receipt. So like when you go in there, you have to order on the kiosk. And here's my receipt. So I'll tell you guys what I got. I got ramen noodles with tonkatsu base, which is a pork base. And I got pork as my protein. And I got it spicy. And then I got a bottle of green tea. A bottle of green tea was $3. But that's neither here nor there. So here is my bottle of green tea. It's like legit green tea. It's probably gonna taste good. It says it's unsweetened, so but I shouldn't be drinking sweetened things anyways. But hopefully I can see on my way home, because I don't believe I have my glass. I'ma look. But I'm figuring out my camera, you guys. It's probably still trash to you guys, but I feel like it's a lot better. I'm learning how to like set the settings and then take a quick vlog and understanding what I'm doing a little bit. I can't tell you aperture and lighting and what I'm doing, white balance, I don't know, but I'm pressing buttons and it's giving some of what it's supposed to have gave, at least on this viewfinder. So let me go get my baby.
I wish I could call you up, miss how you put your love on me. Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal.
Good morning. Good morning.
I promise we'll find love again.
So I am doing a face mask because I don't know if you guys can see, but there is like a situation happening here, probably from a weekend of wearing makeup and face mask. So I have my Clear Proof Deep Cleansing Charcoal Mask from Mary Kay. And I'm gonna go ahead and put just like this much on the Mary Kay silicone mask up here. And I pre-cleansed my face with my SuhLAYYED. I didn't want to strip my whole face of all of it. Basically, just this one spray hit the center of my face. And then I think Mary Kay Hydrogel Eye Patches. Hydrogel Eye Patches. These are, it's like one of my favorite products. I slept in today, but mom thinks I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna take an eye patch. And this is gonna help with puffiness. So where it is while I drink my coffee and get ready for the day. Then I please put this one on. Really things, they're super brown. We're ready to play with me. Yeah, we're ready to What's up, you guys? So it is Thursday. I'm currently at Target. I just went to the lady doctor. I hate going to the lady doctor, but you know, girls gotta do what a girl's gotta do. But currently I'm at Target. I was gonna go to the mall, but I don't feel like spending no money for real like that at the mall on unnecessary things. So I would just be buying stuff to be buying stuff. I would have went to the mall, to be honest. But I'm at Target because I'm gonna buy more things that I just want to buy because what? No, but I have weeks to do, and okay, it's setting on this. My camera is being weird. Okay. Sorry if the lighting keeps changing. I don't know what's happening. The sun is setting behind me, but yeah, so I'm going to go to the hair store after this, and then I'm over here by the Mizzy place or Mezza or whatever. I want to get me a bowl from there. It's like Mediterranean, like a Chipotle, but Mediterranean food, if you've never heard of it. So it's gonna be fresh, and yeah, I need to get me a flat iron and the Keratin Smooth like hair products to get my wigs in order at home. Because I got my own wigs. I be doing everybody else's hair. It's time for me to be slayed too, y'all. Like, for real. Like I said, I'm finally getting to the point where I feel comfortable. Even though I feel very uncomfortable. I just feel like it's time for me to stop BSing and show up. So, yeah, it's a lot of changes. Today's been crazy, y'all. I'm going to say the least. Today's been crazy. But I'm just rolling with it. Because prayers are getting answered. Okay. So that's that. My hair has been thrown on. It's giving very much like, girl, what are you doing? But I'm doing me. I'm doing me. I'm living life right now, man. And that's what I'm gonna do till it's over, period. Like my good brother Drizzy said, I think yesterday was his birthday. Sometime this week it was his birthday. That doesn't matter. Let's go into the Target because I'm just rambling, avoiding actually having to shop. So let go.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride
I'm back from all my stops. I started at 3-some and it is 5:30. But Target haul, beauty supply store haul. Let's get into it. Okay, first on the menu we have, okay, the hair store. So these are some things that I needed for my home, for myself, for my business, my brand, everything, so I can look the part at home, because I can't even style my hair, y'all. I can't even style my hair. Look, I can't even style my hair. So I have a pencil, and my camera's about to die. Wow. These, because you know what those are. We're gonna speed. Got to be ISO Plus. This even spray. When I install my wig, I'm gonna talk more about these products. I got shimmer lights for home, Nairobi for home, because I do glueless. I'm not doing all that like I do at the shop. And then I got some color for my sister. She's getting this like Cajun-y spicy color. All right, and then from Target, I have this big flat iron, this little flat iron, this keratin smooth. That's the best conditioner for all weave. Okay, all weave needs that, period. And this whole line actually for weaves, wigs and weaves, virgin hair, boom. This need that, especially for straight hair. Boom. Let me see it once it's focused on my face. Boom, need that. I need this for my actual sit down videos, so I can have 2 different SIM cards for different content. So vlog, and then sit down videos, hair videos, makeup tutorials, all that stuff gonna be on this one. So I'm just trying to get a little bit organized, and don't mix up footage. And then I got these for Halo. My sister got her a couple of outfits that will match this. So yeah, so I thought these were really cute, and they were only $10, so I went ahead and got them. So that's everything that I got. Yeah, and later on in this vlog you'll probably see the food. Oh no, that's not everything I got. I got chicken tenders for Halo, and then I found these for all the moms out there. They're spinach littles, so they're made of spinach. You put them in the oven just like you do chicken nuggets, and I'm gonna mix them with her chicken nuggets, so she'll get vegetables with her chicken nuggets and she'll eat them, because she's getting kind of picky. She'll eat it, but she knows what she likes. Halo knows what she likes. If you meet Halo, you're gonna know that she knows what she likes, okay? So yeah, that's everything. My food smells so good, so I'm gonna head home in this traffic, jam out a little bit. I need to get me a car mount, but I'll do that at a later time. I don't need to be vlogging and driving anyways with the kind of dashboard I got. Anywho, but yeah, we out of here.